The activity screen in Telenotes allows you to search for all of your notes for any information that you're trying to retrieve. Clicking Add Filter opens up a dialog box where you are then able to sort through any and all notes to find things that are of specific interest. For example, if I click on any narrative and type in a keyword and click Apply Filter, it returns all notes that contain that keyword. I can clear that filter by clicking the X here and begin a new search. The filter also allows you to select from any other variation. For example, if you want to find out all notes where the company's status is a prospect, you can apply that filter. You'll then be presented with only those companies that are marked as prospects within your database. Any of these reports can be saved by clicking Save As. Give the report a name and click Save. Then, at any time, you can click this drop-down icon, select any of your previously saved reports, and view those notes. You can also edit which columns you'd like to have available. Click Columns, select which columns you want displayed, then click Apply. This will modify the report to show only the information you're interested in. And that's how you use the activity screen to search through all your notes in the Telenotes CRM.